How hot is it?
99.
Okay, we got that at 99. Hello world, PDR coming at you here with a... Ooh, my board just fell on the ground, which I do not want to happen. Let's just lay that right there. We got kiddo heating up the car. Let's get back down here. Stay away from that, but keep heating that. So obviously we've got a car that has a collision here, and this got hit. It's an older 93 Toyota Land Cruiser, real nice old truck that obviously one of my wholesale friends is gonna make look super nice, and they're gonna need this dent out. So we're gonna do what we can to get this nice and warm. We've got Aiden heating it up, and what we're gonna do is hand the phone off. What's it at? Shiner right here. 117, perfect. Hand me the gun. I'll trade you the camera. Okay. And I'm gonna get it real nice and warm, super hot, super fast. Come on down here, because heat is kind of the key, guys. You can back up a little bit and show them what I'm doing. And I'm actually going to slowly feel how this metal wants to move. I'm not gonna glue tab. I'm just seeing if this is the initial look at this dent. So I'm seeing if I want to take this whole thing off, which is a process. It's not a tough one. Or just be able to get to the rest of it from in here. So come around on this side and let's see if you can see me pull this thing out. I'm gonna grab a rag and just, oh my gosh. No, I think I'd probably break my hand, but I'm just really carefully trying to muscle it out with this kinked wave right up here. This whole body line, we're just gonna keep nice and straight. And I'm gonna find the tension points, and I think it's way down deep. So I'll come back to you in just a bit and show you guys what we got. Okay guys, we're back. We got a little bit of it out. I went in there and made some severe pushes. It is really, I mean, it got hit hard. So this, this was a collision. Got Aiden heating up the brow there, and it's kind of the eyebrow right through the middle of the body line. How hot is it?
81 degrees.
81. It's kind of cold out. But what I'm going to do is grab the shooting jackhammer, which is right here, and this tool here. And basically we're going to get in here and take these eyebrows out. Let's see if we can see it on camera and do it. Wow, doing it through a camera. Haven't done that. I would never attempt that on anything other than maybe a 93 Land Cruiser that's been hit. So yeah, we're just gonna do this right here. Hopefully you guys have a visual. Now you do. Excuse the banging. Keep it nice and warm. We're gonna get this brow out, and we're gonna make some more pushes on this severe area down here. It's crushed all the way in, so that if you see closely, I mean, I've made some pushes that are ready to crack paint. I've just got to keep it real warm and try to straighten this out underneath here so that he can get the light back on and it can look decent. We're obviously not going for the perfect fix. When he puts this thing back on, he's going to see how much damage he had underneath there. But like I said in the first part, that's not my problem. This little plastic piece is not my problem, and we're just going to get this nice and straight and straighten out this brow. We'll come back to you and show you the end result in just a bit. I thought I'd bring you in for a little bit of tapping because it's at 85 degrees, and just tapping this line out. I switched to Hemi and Tappy. Excuse the background noise. Try to get a visual over here in the light, kiddo. Try to face this way over my head. I'll move my hat, put my hat back, if that will help, and see if you can just get that visual right through that line. And if I need to, I can go like, whoa, I can go like this and get a little bit wider of an angle for you. Because this is a big part of the same dent is this area of brow. So at this point in the videos, when I say I sure do appreciate y'all clicking on this video, I really do. If you hit that subscribe button, it really helps out the channel. I'd really appreciate it. So let's just find this tightest area where it pinches. Give it some old-fashioned tappies. Beat it down real good. I was using the Shane jackhammer, and it does it a little more evenly, but I wouldn't say as defined and as rapido. I'm going for the get her out real nice, real fast method right now. And I might turn on the heat gun every once in a while and just have it on. Probably should just have, I have the tripod right next to me. I probably should just have it set up on the tripod, but that would take an extra 10 seconds of thought. So let's just do that for about 10 seconds and then come back and show you what we're doing here. So basically, I'm gonna have to annoy the neighbors here for about, I'd say a good 20 to 30 minutes on this brow to get it nice and flush the way I want it to look. Obviously this car has a little bit of older paint damage and is an older vehicle, but we're still gonna treat it right and make it nice. So we will probably just call this one the last middle vid and come back and give you the finale and show you what this dent ended up looking like. But I do really appreciate y'all's time, and we will come back to you in just a bit and show you the final result. Okay guys, here's what we ended up with. Far from good, but good from far. And once again, I must stress, I know that doesn't look great at all, but once again, I must stress how damaged this bottom piece was. I mean, this thing was hit by probably the weight of a ton. You can see there's some severe pushes in that metal. I got up to this brow right here. Got that brow out nice and neat. Just so that when they do repaint this car, they just have to butter coat that. They don't have to, they can put a little bit of Bondo in there and make it nice. They don't have to basically do all the work that I did for them there. And you know, like, I can just tell in the comments that everybody's gonna say I can't believe that you'd even charge for that, or what do you, this is all under the assumption that the customer knows exactly what he's getting. He just wanted the light to fit in. He just wanted it to look better, to be able to have it be slightly presentable rather than a big mess. So I think for the price that was charged and the price he paid, I think he's gonna be super happy with the result. And I would love it if you guys hit a like on this video if you like it. If you want, leave a comment, you know, hopefully it's a positive one. I know that myself, this is not a, I would say this is not even a 60% job. We got it to about 60%, but we got it to that wholesale make a guy happy that had a smashed in fender. This is not what I normally do with paintless dent repair, and it's not what anybody should normally do with paintless dent repair. But for friends, for return customers, for wholesalers, you know, somebody that wants a good deal, I open this part of my business up to make people happy. I just do what I can. So once again, I sure appreciate all your time and clicking on the video. And this has been PDR, and I'm out. Peace.